Okay, he's going to be saving his options, so they're going to be looking to save some money, and Stan gets dropped by Taz. Looks like they're going to